Whoa, why is the printer not working?
Calm down, please. Let's check it together.
Hi, Sarah. I need my report printed now.
Hello, Tom. I can help you.
I pressed print, but nothing happened.
Okay, let's look at the screen carefully.
The red light is blinking fast.
That means paper jam. I will fix it.
Oh no, I do not understand.
Don't worry. I will show you slowly.
It makes me feel stressed.
Take a deep breath. Watch me.
Should I remove the paper now?
Yes, gently pull it from the tray.
Okay, I see it moving.
Great. Now close the tray carefully.
Done. Now what next?
Press the green button again slowly.
The printer is working. Wow!
Good. Your report will print soon.
Thank you for helping calmly.
No problem. Always stay relaxed.
I feel much better now.
That's why we should calm down.
I learned patience today.
Excellent. Keep calm next time.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Hey, excuse me. That is my seat.
Oh no, really? I thought it was free.
Hi, sorry. Maybe we both made mistake.
Hello, let me check my ticket again.
Sure. Mine says seat 14A, window side.
Wait, my ticket also says 14A.
That is strange. Did they print twice? Maybe I booked wrong train coach today.
What coach number is on your ticket?
It says coach B. What about yours?
Mine says coach A.
Oh, I see problem.
Oh wow, I'm in wrong coach.
No worries. Mistakes happen all the time.
But this train is very full today.
Yes, many people are traveling this morning.
I feel embarrassed. I'm so sorry.
Please relax. It is really okay.
Can you help me find Coach B?
Of course, it is 2 doors behind.
Should I walk through this door now?
Yes, hold the rail and go slowly.
Thank you. Oh, there's my seat.
Great. I'm happy you found it.
Thanks for being kind and patient today.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
You too. Travel safe and enjoy ride.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, I am very confused right now.
What is confusing you? Tell me.
Hi, Sarah. I need help, please.
Hello, Tom. How can I help?
These tickets look different to me.
Let me see them carefully.
One says today, one says tomorrow.
Oh, that is important to check.
Did I book the wrong date?
Do not worry. We will confirm.
I do not want to miss flight.
Show me your phone booking.
Here it is. Please read it.
Your flight is actually tomorrow morning.
Really? Then why this ticket today?
This is check-in reminder, not ticket.
Ah, now I understand better.
Many travelers make this mistake.
I felt stressed for nothing.
It is always good to double-check.
So I should come tomorrow early.
Yes, arrive 2 hours before flight.
Thank you for explaining slowly.
You are welcome. Happy to help.
Now I feel calm again.
Have a safe trip tomorrow.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, sorry, I don't understand you.
Oh, did I speak too fast?
Hi, Sarah. I need help, please.
Hello, Tom. What do you need today?
I want to send this package.
Sure. Please fill this form first.
Sorry, what is postal code?
It is the number for your area.
Can you say that again slowly?
Of course, it is your area number.
Oh, like the number in addresses?
Yes, exactly like that number.
Also, what means fragile here?
It means the item can break easily.
Ah, my cup inside can break.
Then please check this fragile box.
Your English is clear now, thanks.
Great. Tell me if I speak fast.
Sometimes people speak too quickly.
I will speak slower for you.
Thank you. I feel more relaxed.
Now place the package on scale.
Is this weight okay?
Yes, you can pay at counter.
Perfect. Now I understand everything.
Happy to help you today, Tom.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Oh no, my phone screen is broken.
Do not worry, let's fix this together.
Hi, Sarah. I dropped it outside.
Hello, Tom. Let me take a look.
The screen is very hard now.
Yes, it is cracked badly.
Can it work like this?
Maybe, but it is not safe.
I cannot even type messages.
We should repair it today.
Will it take long time?
No, about 30 minutes only.
That sounds much better.
First, please turn off your phone.
Okay, it is off now.
I will add a new screen.
Do you need my password?
No, keep it private always.
Thank you for being careful.
Look, the new screen is ready.
Wow, it looks brand new.
Try touching it slowly.
It works perfectly again.
Teamwork makes problems easier.
Yes, we fixed it together.
Have a great day, Tom.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Please speak slowly. I cannot follow you.
Oh, am I speaking too fast again?
Hi, Sarah. I want to order coffee.
Hello, Tom. What would you like today?
You said many words very quickly.
Sorry about that. I will slow down.
Did you ask hot or iced coffee?
Yes. Do you want hot coffee?
Yes, hot coffee, please.
Small, medium, or large size?
Sorry, please repeat that slowly.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium sounds perfect for me.
Great choice. Do you need sugar?
Just one sugar, thank you.
Would you like milk with it?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Anything else for you today?
No, that is everything.
The total is $5.
Here is my card.
Please tap your card here.
Learning is easier when you speak slowly.
I will remember that next time.
Thank you for your patience today.
Your coffee is ready. Enjoy.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Oh no, sorry. That was my mistake.
What happened? Are you okay?
Hi, Sarah. I grabbed the wrong bag.
Hello, Tom. Which bag did you take?
I took this black laptop bag.
Is it not yours?
No, mine is dark gray.
Let us check the name tag.
It says Daniel, not Tom.
Good catch. Mistakes can happen fast.
I feel embarrassed right now.
Do not worry, we will fix it.
Where did you see my bag?
I think it is near reception desk.
Oh, yes, I remember leaving it there.
Please place this bag back carefully.
Done. Thank you for helping me.
Look, the gray bag is over there.
Yes, that one is definitely mine.
Check inside to be sure.
My notebook and charger are here.
Perfect. Everything looks correct now.
Sorry again for the confusion today.
No problem. You were very honest.
I will double check next time.
Great idea. Have a wonderful day.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. Wait, that is not what I meant.
Oh no, did I misunderstand you?
Hi, Sarah. I ordered vegetable sandwich.
Hello, Tom. Yes, I prepared it quickly.
But this has chicken inside.
Really? Let me check that immediately.
I do not eat meat at all.
I am very sorry about this.
I asked for only vegetables, please.
I heard special sandwich, not vegetable.
Oh, maybe I spoke too softly.
No worries, we can fix it fast.
I was surprised when I opened it.
Thank you for telling me politely.
Can you make a new one?
Yes, I will prepare it now.
Please make sure it is vegetarian.
I will use clean tools too.
That makes me feel better.
Here, watch me add fresh vegetables.
It looks perfect already.
No meat, just vegetables and cheese.
Great, that is what I meant.
Sorry again for the confusion today.
Mistakes happen. Thank you for helping.
Enjoy your sandwich. Have nice day.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks. This is not fair. She got bigger cake.
Please calm down. Tell me what happened.
Hi, Sarah. I just bought lunch here.
Hello, Tom. Nice to see you today.
But my piece is very small.
Let me check your plate quickly.
Look, her slice is almost double mine.
Oh, that does look different indeed.
I paid same price as everyone else.
Maybe we cut them uneven by mistake.
I feel upset. This is not fair.
I understand. Thank you for telling me.
Can you fix it now, please?
Yes, give me one moment here.
People are staring. I feel embarrassed.
No worries, we will solve this fast.
I just want equal food.
I will bring another slice for you.
Really? Thank you. That helps a lot.
Also, you can keep the small one.
That is very kind of you.
We want every customer happy here.
Now it feels fair again.
Sorry for the trouble today, Tom.
No problem. Mistakes happen sometimes.
Enjoy your cake and have a nice day.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
Why are you shouting right now?
I am not shouting. Can you hear me?
Hi, Tom. Yes, but your voice hurts ears.
Oh, no. I'm really sorry, Sarah.
It is okay. Is something wrong today?
My headphones are on. I hear nothing.
Wait, your headphones are not connected.
Really? Then why is it so quiet?
Because you covered your ears tightly.
Oh, wow. That is very silly.
Customers are looking at us right now.
I feel embarrassed. I did not notice.
Please take them off for a moment.
Okay. Wow, everything sounds so loud.
Yes, this store is busy today.
I thought the batteries were dead.
No, the headphones are completely off.
Thank you for telling me quickly.
Next time, check the power button first.
Good idea. I will remember that.
Now speak softly. Try this voice level.
Like this? Is this better now?
Perfect. That sounds calm and friendly.
Thanks for helping me fix this problem.
You are welcome. Let us help customers now.
Yes, and no more shouting from me.
Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.